Well, you are a rapidly settling crowd, and you're still oriented. You are in the geographic center of the borough now. Do you know that? You've landed in central. How many of you have been to central Brooklyn or haven't been to central Brooklyn before? Aha! Welcome. This is the place to be. You'll never get out, but we're glad you're here. So welcome. My name's Rich Rosenfeld. I have the honor of co-chairing this event with Beth Helzner, who I will introduce very shortly, but just wanted to give you all a warm welcome. This is a really unique and special event for Downstate. It's our first ever plant-based conference, and it really is a tremendous effort between the College of Medicine, the School of Public Health, and the Brooklyn Borough President's office. So we're delighted to see you all. Many of you have never been to Downstate, and we're happy to welcome you and enjoy your company and conversation. I'm going to introduce now really the mover and shaker of the conference, who's Beth Helzner. And Beth is an associate professor of epidemiology and biostatistics at the SUNY Downstate School of Public Health. She specializes in epidemiology of aging and neuroepidemiology and has research focused in those areas, but most importantly, she has an ever-expanding interest in nutrition education for the healthcare workforce and developing community-based approaches to foster and increase access to plant-based health and nutrition. So let me introduce Beth Helzner, our conference co-chair. Beth.
Thank you so much, Rich. Good morning, everybody. This is so exciting. We are delighted to have you all here. We're here today to learn about how eating a diet that's rich in whole plant foods can help prevent and even reverse some chronic diseases. We've got a fantastic day in store for you. We're going to hear from experts at the forefront of the plant-based movement. We'll hear from Brooklyn Borough President Eric Adams and his compelling testimony about how he is able to improve his own health. We're going to hear the insights and experiences of our wonderful keynote speaker, Dr. David Katz. Then we're going to hear from Dr. Rich Rosenfeld about the efforts going on now at Downstate when it comes to plant-based initiatives. After lunch, we're going to, first of all, lunch is very important. We're going to have a delicious plant-based lunch. After lunch, we're going to hear the story of a reformed cardiologist, Dr. Robert Ostfeld, and the evidence supporting plant-based nutrition when it comes to cardiology. Then we're going to hear about the psychology that underlies vegetarian identity. We'll wrap up the day with two wonderful panels of local experts. The first is going to discuss how best to make the transition to plant-based nutrition and how to overcome barriers to this way of eating. And the second panel is going to focus on how we can overcome institutional barriers to change and access to plant-based foods. So thank you all for coming here to learn, discuss, network, be inspired. I'm looking forward to speaking with you at lunchtime. I hope you have a wonderful day. And with that, I would like to introduce the president of SUNY Downstate, Dr. Wayne Riley.